guys, so today we are doing an update on the tropical disturbance, and obviously it has now changed to medium of it going to be forming. So now it says 40%, a large and elongated area of cloudiness and disorganized thunderstorms has developed well to the east of the Bahamas. An area of low pressure is expected to form within this area, disturb weather several hundred miles south or southwest of Bermuda by early next week. Gradual development of this system into a tropical or subtropical cyclone is possible during the early and middle part of next week, while it moves northward or northeastward. The next special tropical weather outlook will be issued by 2 a.m. EDT Sunday or sooner if conditions warrant. So formation chance throughout 48 hours, which is 2 days, it is low, near 0%. Formation chance through 5 days, medium, 40%. Now, that's what caught my eye. Now let's look at the other disturbance in the Pacific, Eastern Pacific. Also says a low pressure system located about 200 miles southwest of Mexico, Guatemala, sorry if I pronounced that wrong, border is producing disorganized showers and thunderstorms. Recent satellite-derived windstorms indicate that the low pressure has become better identified, and environmental conditions are expected to somewhat conducive for slow development of the system over the next several days. A lot of the disturbance meanders off the coast of southern Mexico. So formation chance of 48 hours, which is 2 days, it's low and is 10%. Formation chance throughout 5 days is medium, 40%. Oh my gosh, guys. So, I was looking on there, and I saw that there's supposed to be 2 tropical storms forming at the same time. Look at that. That's one. But number 2 is right here. This is probably going to be a tropical depression, but this is another system that might form within the system I was talking about like a while ago. And then I saw some Eastern Pacific hurricanes. Let me just show you. So let's look at the animation. I'm sorry if I'm sniffling. I'm sick. I have a cold. You should see some activity right here. Waters are pretty warm. So, that was just 3 systems. I'm very surprised. This is going to be a new system in the Central Pacific hurricane season. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you next time, surely. And just keep an eye on this storm. I know that I've been doing a lot of videos on these, but yeah, so hopefully you keep an eye on these storms, because these storms are actually pretty dangerous. Hopefully you like the video, subscribe, turn on notifications, and like the video and give it a comment. Bye!